Valerie. A lot of you were asking me about like my everyday routine. So my everyday routine is very basic, very simple. I'm going to show you that right now. Routine that I use Monday through Fridays fits my lifestyle when I'm on the road. Now on the weekends is a separate routine that involves Chebe. My hair right now is in a braid out. I always do braid outs. And whoo, the shrinkage is real, as you can see. We all know about shrinkage, right? But the shrinkage is so real. Anyways, I don't want to babble. So let me share with you guys a trick. I'm always sharing with you guys everything I know because, gosh, I just love sharing everything I know. My mother used this product on me back in the day. I remember being like 9 years old and she would use this on me. And so I always thought about this product. And what I remember is my mother used to always, if our hair was starting to get out of control and a little like broken, she would always start to use this. And I never remember us getting haircuts or anything like that. So I had to go online because I couldn't find this product in any store. I went to all the local beauty supply shops. I went to Family Dollar. I went to Walmart. And when I would ask for it, they're like, we don't even know what you're talking about. So I had to actually go online and I actually found it. They still sell it. And this is it. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. It's called Pre-Con Gel. So yes, Pre-Con Gel. How many of you have actually heard of Pre-Con Gel? Okay. So it's a gel, but it's not a gel. So you couldn't really use it. The gel as we know it today makes your hair hard. It's used for styling, holding. This does not do that. This is, it's just an instant protein conditioner. Instant, I don't know if you can see this, but it says that it's an instant protein conditioner, right? And that's exactly what it does. And so I'm like, let me buy this. So fast forward. I told you this was going to be quick, and I promise you it is. So I gave it a whirl and I started using it, and oh my gosh, it's 10 times better than the $45 end sealer. And this is amazing because it's the first ingredient is water. So it's like a hair moisturizer and a protein treatment and an end sealer all in one. So what I do, this is my nighttime routine, is I always do 3 braids, just like this, okay? And I'm going to show you that routine right now. Here's my first section. And as you all know, genetically, I do not have super thick hair. I just wasn't born with it, okay? I just don't have thick hair. So I only need 3 sections. So what I do is I take one section like this, right? And I take literally just that much of the pre-comb gel. Because again, I don't have thick hair and my strands are very fine. And I rub it in and I start at the ends like this. And then I just kind of gently rub it all up, okay? And I don't really go into my root or anything like that because, you know, I just don't. Someone else might want to. I don't care about that. And then I take some of my mango butter, which I love this product. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it. It's by Softy, and it's actually mango butter, and it's got shea in it. But just so you know, for some of you, it does have coconut oil, it has seed butter, but it does have some petroleum jelly. And some people are really against that. You know, they don't like that kind of stuff in their hair. But for me, it doesn't bother me. If the hair product does the trick, you know, I don't care. Then I just take a little bit of that to go over it and seal in that pre-comb gel. Then I just, again, gently work it all the way up to the top of my head. And I kind of try to stretch it out as I go along. And then I just braid it up. Just very, very, very simple, basic. And I am the worst braider in the world. That's my disclaimer to everyone. I'm a black girl who can't braid to save her life, okay? Can't braid, I admit it. I braid with my knuckles, that's weird. People always say, why do you braid with your knuckles? Oh my gosh. I'm like, if I knew I would fix that, okay. If I knew why, I would fix it. So, yeah, I'm the worst braider in the world, but that's okay. You guys may already know that about me. So my braids are pretty loose. I can't braid tight by default. I don't know if it's genetic or what, but my mom can't braid, I can't braid, and my sister can't braid. We just can't braid. So anyways, I'm just braiding down, as you can see, braiding this braid right down. Then as I get toward the ends, if I look down and my ends still look a little bit, a little on the drier side, then I'll dip my finger back in, take a little more of the pre-comb gel, and just go down just like that. And I tell you, I swear by this stuff. I think for this jar, I think I paid $5.99, $6.99. I would say, pick it up. Just give it a try. Go online, Google pre-comb gel, and it's made by Summit. Summit pre-comb gel. Give it a try. Use it as your moisturizer for your moisturizing seal. You'll be blown away. And it does not weigh your hair down. You can use it every single day, and it's like your hair just drinks it up. I don't get how they do it. But it will not weigh your hair down. It's outstanding. It's phenomenal. And this is not a paid review or anything. Gosh, I wish. I wish they had given me a jar for free, but they didn't. That's how much I honestly love the product. So, yep, so that's one. And I just do 3 sections. Okay, so these are my braids. Gorgeous hair, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, it's cotton. No, I don't use silk. I just don't. It works for me. And I just do like this. Keep my edges tamed. And that is it. I'm done. And that's my Monday through Friday nighttime routine that I've been doing faithfully with my mango butter by Softy and my pre-comb gel by Summit. And hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.